Hi, Hondong. Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello, Adam, hello tôi.
Hi, Hondong. Good evening. And
Bữa nay học
welcome again to our class. Hi, good evening. How are you today, Hondong? Are you happy today?
How are you?
You. Oh, I'm also fine. Thank you. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat? Okay, wait. Did you already eat your dinner?
Bạn đã ăn tối chưa?
Yes?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Wow, that's good to know. Are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Ready? Yes or no? Ready? Okay, so let's start our lesson for today. So for our lesson, Hundong, we are still in our lesson 2 or lesson 3, I mean, which is all about a story. So so last time we listened to this story, but for you to be able to recall what is the story that we have, so let's listen to it again. Okay, so listen to the story. Okay, let's listen.
Page 16. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. The blue paint.
The blue paint.
This is my paint. This is my paint. Hey! This is my paint too. Let's share. Okay. Look! Cool.
Okay, so that's it for our story, Hundong. So our story is all about, so let's say the title, it's all about the blue paint.
Blue.
Okay, very good. Again, Hundong, what is the color of the paint? What color?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. One more time. Let's say blue. Blue.
Blue.
Very good. So now let's take a look and analyze our story. So let's read first this one. So let's say, this is my paint.
This is my paint.
Very good. Now let's take a look at this boy. What is the color of his paint? What color? This one. What color is his paint?
Oh, black.
Black and?
Green.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say white.
White.
Okay, so it's black and white. Very good. Good job. How about this boy? This one, the second boy. What is the color of his paint?
Yellow and red.
Okay, very good. So yellow and red. And this one, what is the color of this paint?
Blue.
Very good. It's blue. So Danny and Sam, they both have their own colors, which is black and white and yellow and red. However, they both need blue paint. So they need blue paint. So
Blue.
yes, so that is what they need. So they need black, white, blue, and yellow, red, and blue. So now let's take a look at what did they draw. So take a look at the picture. What did he draw? Is it an animal?
Yes.
Are you sure? Is it an animal? Animal or person?
Animal or
Đó là động vật hay con người?
Rồi hai bạn.
Is it an animal or is it a person? A boy? person. Very good. So is it a boy or is it a girl?
Boy or girl?
Boy or
Okay,
girl?
Boy.
Very good. It's a boy. And what is the color of his drawing? What is the color of his drawing? What color do we have? It's black, blue, and white.
White.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the color of his drawing? It's black, blue,
Yeah.
Blue.
and white.
Why?
And white.
Okay, very good. How about this boy? What did he draw? Did he also draw a boy, a person? Yes or no? Or is it an animal?
Người hay con trai không vậy đấy? Người hay
Hmm.
không có động vật.
What did he draw?
Người.
It is also
Sun.
a person. Very good. Is it a boy or a girl?
Boy or girl?
Boy or girl? It's a boy. Very good. Now, let's take a look at the color of his drawing. So earlier, we have here black, blue, and white. How about with this one? What is the color of his drawing?
Có màu gì?
Yellow.
Yellow,
And blue.
blue, and the last color. Yellow, blue, and what color is this?
Màu gì? Không có màu gì?
White.
Is it is it white? This one, this paint. What color is this paint?
It's pink.
This one, what color? It's red. Ah, this one. So they both have three colors. So this one, this picture, you are right, blue, yellow, and the last color is red. This one, his drawing, he uses black, blue, and white. Very good. So now, let's learn about the lesson that we can learn about this story. So for this story, we can learn be nice. Okay, let's see. Be nice. Be
Because he learn in a telephone and the screen is small, so he can see clearly.
okay, that's why.
Honestly.
That's why it's okay. It's okay, Hundong. I can see that you are doing your best. Okay, but let's read what is the thing or what is the lesson that we can learn. So in this lesson, we can learn be nice. Okay, let's say be nice.
Be nice.
Okay, so Hundong, when we say be nice, it means that we use kind words, we share and help others. So it's about making people happy. It's about making people happy and being a good friend. For example, if your friend at school drops their pencil, so you pick it up and give it back to your friend. Okay, and for example, you have crayons. You have different colors of crayons. And your friend, his or her crayons are not complete. So you will give or borrow your crayons to your friend. Like this or in this story, so we can see, so they both needed the blue color. So that's why they shared. They shared the blue color to each other. And as we can see in their drawing, so they both have blue colors. Okay, so that is being nice. So we are being kind to other people. Okay, so how about you, Hundong? How about you? How do you help your friends? Hundong.
Còn bạn thì sao? Bạn giúp đỡ bạn bè của mình như thế nào?
How do you help your friends? What do you do to be nice?
Yes.
Yes, very good. You are being nice. And how do you help your friends? Hundong? Do you help your friends?
Có các bạn không?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So good job. So that is being nice. So we help people, we help our friends, we help our sister, we help our parents or mommy and daddy. So that is the lesson that we can learn in this story. So next, so let's do some activity here. So we will listen and circle if it's a check, if it's correct, or is it if it's not correct, based on the picture. So this is still based on the story.
Page 17.
Okay.
B. Listen and circle check or X. 1,
This is my paint. Black and white.
2,
Okay, one more
This
time.
is my paint. Black and white.
Okay, for number 1. So the boy said, "This is my paint, black and white." So now looking at the picture, Hundong, do you think that the picture is correct? Looking at the paint. Yes, what is the color of the paint? It's What's the color of the paint in the picture?
And
White. Very good. So the color of the paints are black and white. So based on the sound, so the sound said that this is my paint, black and white. So do you think that the sound matches the picture? Yes or no? Hundong, do you think the sound matches? Hmm, do you think the sound is correct, aligned with the picture?
Bạn có nghĩ là âm thanh đã được căn chỉnh khớp với hình ảnh không?
Yes or no?
Làm thấy được.
Yes or no? Is it correct? Hundong? The sound said, "This is my paint, black and white." Now, in this picture, is the paint black and white? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Yes, so very good. So the answer here is a check because it matches the picture. Okay, so let's go to number 2.
2,
This is my paint. Red and yellow.
Okay, again.
This is my paint. Red and yellow.
Okay, so the sound said, "This is my paint, red and yellow." So the paint that is, yes, that is the paint in the sound. But looking at picture number 2, do you think that the paint is color red and yellow? Yes or no?
Phải không?
Yes.
Hả? Màu gì? Red
Is
or
it
yellow?
no? Very good. It's no. What color is this?
It's a blue.
Very good. It's blue. So meaning, so the sound doesn't matches the picture. So the answer here is X because it's incorrect. Very good. Next, number 3.
3,
Hey! This is my paint too. Hey! This is my paint too.
Okay, so for picture number 3, so we can hear in the sound said, "Hey, this is my paint too." And based on the picture, Hundong, do you think this boy said that? Do you think he said that, hey, this is my paint too? Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes or no? Này màu của
Hmm.
tôi, đây cũng là màu của tôi. Đúng không vậy?
Yes.
Are you sure? What is the color of the paint here? What color is the paint, or what color are the paint that he is holding? Its color
Yellow.
Đọc cho con nghe hay
yellow
nào không? Thật
and
lắm.
And red.
okay, very good. It's yellow and red. And what is the color of the paint that they would like to share? What is the color of the paint that they would like to share? What's the color?
Họ muốn chia sẻ màu gì với nhau.
Okay,
Màu gì?
based on this picture. So in this picture, let me just show you. So in the sound earlier, so the sound said, hey, this is my paint too. Looking at this picture, what is the paint that they are sharing?
Màu gì?
What is the paint? Its color? Very good. It's blue. Now let's go back to the picture number 3. So do you think he is holding color blue paint? Yes or no? Is he
Yes.
this is a blue paint, the one he is holding?
No.
No, very good, because as we can see, this is color red and color yellow. So meaning, so this sentence or number is not correct. Okay. And for our last one, number 4, let's listen to number 4.
4.
Let's share. Okay. Let's share. Okay.
Okay, for number 4, let's see. So the sound said, let's share. And the other boy said, okay. So by looking at the picture, Hundong, do you think that these two boys are sharing? Do you think, based on the picture, they are sharing the paint? Yes or no?
Bạn có nghĩ là dựa vào bức ảnh thì họ đang dùng chung sơn không?
Yes or no?
Đúng không? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So therefore, so the statement or the sound is correct, or the sound and the picture matches together. So these are all of our answers. So let's check if all of our answer is correct. So let's read number 1. Let's say, this is my paint. Let's say, this is my paint.
Is my pen.
Black and white.
Black and white.
Okay, this one is correct. How about number 2? Let's read. This is my paint.
This is my pen.
Red.
Red and yellow.
Okay, very good. Next. Number 3. Hey,
Hey.
this is my paint too.
Two and two.
Okay, very good. So again, let's practice the word paint. Let's say paint. Paint.
Pen.
Okay, very good. That's so nice. Especially when you are saying the word paint, try to smile so that you can be able to do the sound A, long A, paint, like that. Can you try to smile by while saying paint? Paint.
Bench.
Okay, very good. That's so nice. Okay, the last one, the last number. Let's say, let's share.
Let's share.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So good job, Hundong, for answering our activity. So next, let's proceed and move on to our next one. So for this one, we have here a song. So we will first listen, and after that, we will try to sing the song. Okay? Okay, let's listen to the song.
17. C. Sing. Let's share.
This is my paint. This is my paint.
Hey, it's my paint too.
Okay, let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Okay, let's share. Let's share. Okay, cool.
This is my paint. This is my paint. Hey, it's my paint too. Okay, let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Okay, let's share. Let's share. Okay, cool.
Okay, so now let's try to sing the song, or let's try to read. So let's try to read the first sentence. So say, this is my paint.
This is my pen.
This is my pen.
Okay, one more time. I say paint, not paint. Paint.
This is my paint.
Very good. One more time. I say this is my paint.
This is my paint.
Okay, next. Hey, it's my paint too.
Hey,
It's
this
my
my pen
paint too.
too.
Okay, one more time. Again, let's practice the word paint. Let's say paint.
Paint.
One more time. Paint. Try to smile.
Paint.
Yes, that's right. Very good. Let's say it 3 times. Paint, paint, paint.
Paint. Paint. Paint.
Very good. Next, let's read the next part. Okay, let's share.
Okay, let's share.
Let's share. Let's share.
Let's share.
Okay, one more time. Let's say let's. Let's. Let's say let's
Let's
share.
share.
Okay, very good. And the last one, okay, let's share.
Okay, let's share.
Let's share.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, very good. Good job. So next, let's proceed to the next part of our lesson. So we have here a dialogue that we need to read. Okay, so again, let's read this one. So let's share.
Let's share.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for this one, Hundong, we say let's share to other people so that we want them to know that they can also use what we have. For example, you have a crayons. For example, you have crayons like in this picture. So let's take a look at this picture. What do we call this art supplies, Hundong? What are these art supplies? Do you still remember?
So,
Đây là những dụng cụ mỹ thuật nào?
Do you still remember what art supplies are this? Is it crayons? Yes or no?
Cái bút màu đúng hay sai?
yes.
Yes, very good. So we can say, let's say, these are crayons. Let's say, these
Đọc ấy.
Yes.
This Ryan.
Bush or Ryan.
Crayons. Again, let's see. Crayons.
Ryan.
Oh,
Ryan.
okay, very good. Crayons. So crayons are the one that we use to color the paper. It has different colors. Like this one, we have pink, green, and blue. So if, for example, you have crayons and your friend doesn't have crayons. So you see it and you want to share what you have. You want to share your crayons. So that's why you will say to your friend, so you will say, let's share. So it's about being nice and making sure that everyone is able to use what you have. And your friend will say, okay. Okay. So at or in your school or at your school, Hundong, do you share your crayons? Yes or no?
Ở trường Huỳnh Đông, con có chia sẻ bút màu của mình không?
Do you share? Do you share your crayons? Yes or no?
Ish.
Con có chia sẻ với
Yes.
các chị màu. Trả lời yes hay no?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Wow, very good. So that means you are being nice. You want to share what you have to other people. So that is being kind, being nice to other people. And next, let's try to see what examples or other examples that we have here. So this one. So let's take a look at picture number 2. Do you know what food are they eating? Do you know what food is this?
Pizza.
Very good. So let's say this is pizza.
This is pizza.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. So do you think that they've shared the pizza? Yes or no?
Bạn có nghĩ là họ đã chia nhau chiếc bánh pizza không? Có hay không?
Yes,
Yes.
very good. So what should we say in this picture? What should the girl said? Or what should the girl say? The girl should say, let's share. So that is what we say when we want to share. So let's say, let's share.
Let's share.
Okay, next, what will the boy say? What will the boy say? The boy say, oh,
Okay.
very good. So the boys will say, okay. And next, for picture number 3. Okay, let's take a look at this one. What school supply is this? What school supply? Is it a notebook? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure it's a notebook? Notebook,
Book.
notebook or book?
Book.
Notebook là vở.
Are you sure?
Là sách.
Are you sure that? Oh, okay, very good. So let's say it's a book.
This book.
Okay, very good. So it's a book. So now, in this picture, so they are sharing the book. So what will the guy said to share the book? Or what should the guy said? The boy will say, let's
share.
Okay, very good. Let's share. And the other one will say,
Okay.
okay, very good. So that's it. So that is the lesson that we can learn in our story, which is about the blue paint. So it is being nice. So remember, Hundong, being nice is sharing what you have to other people. So it means you use kind words, you share what you have, and you help other people. So don't forget, especially when you are at school, don't forget to be nice to other of your classmates, okay? Okay, okay. and make sure Hundong. Yes, so we finish our lesson for today. So goodbye Hundong, and make sure to practice how you say the word paint, okay? Practice reading the word paint. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much Hundong, and see you again soon. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Thank you and good night. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.